Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on to share a project that I created using one of the dies that I received from Globleland. And that die is going to be out of this set here. You get both of these in the sets. Okay, so I used the smaller one for these projects. Now, I will have Globleland's website in the description box along with the link to this die. And I'll also have the links to the other dies that I received and the unboxing. And I'll link the unboxing in case you want to go see everything that I got. So what I did is I made some cards using this little decorative layering piece. And here is the first card. So this is like a holiday card here. And this is the die. And what I did is I just cut it out twice. One in gold and one in red. And I just kind of staggered them and put them together like that. So it's really, really cute. The card is plain on the inside. But oh, I just love the background of that. It just kind of sets it off. So really, really fun. I like that. Now, I also have a coupon code with Globleland, which is happy10. So you can save some money, okay? And then here is the next one. So I did this one a little bit different. This is more plain. But on this one here, I embossed the layering piece with some snowflakes. And I just did a single layer of the die in glitter. So I did that one like that. So it kind of still pops with that glitter. So pretty. And then the inside is plain. So I'm really loving that background die. I can see myself using it, you know, a lot on cards. I'm not really a card maker, but I've enjoyed these few that I've did. And this one I shared in the last video featuring the gingerbread, but I did use it on this one as well, and I just did it a single use with that white on top of that gold, and it just really pops. So there is so many ways you can do that. You could even triple the colors and it'd probably still be really pretty. So you just have to play around with it. There's no right or wrong way. And that is my project share, my first project share for Globleland. And I will have everything, like I said, in the description box, the website, the links to the products, coupon code, save you some money. And yeah, that is it. And I will see y'all in the next video when I come back for some more projects. I believe the other dies are like box type dies. So really, really fun. And thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.